Today we're going to be sublimating a jigsaw puzzle. So I'm waiting for my heat press to warm up right now. Up to 400. We're at 3 right now. But you definitely want to have a coverage for your heat press. You need 2 sheets. This will go on the top of everything. So this is my bottom sheet. And this is just like parchment paper, like this paper you use to make cookies in the oven. So this is the puzzle. This is the heart. It's the heart. It's 8 by 8 size. It's 8 by 8. This is the picture. I printed on the 8.5 by 11. It's just me, my mom, and my husband. And right now I have to figure out how, because he's taller, so I need to make sure that the little dip in the heart doesn't cut him off. And I just went ahead and printed larger so that I could have some room to work with. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and try to get this set so when the heat press warms up, we can go ahead and start. This is gonna be, this is the most difficult part when you're doing a puzzle, is getting everything set up without tearing the puzzle apart. This one seems to be actually pretty sturdy, so that it's good. I keep my paper here. I'm gonna mail this to my mom for Mother's Day. These will make great Mother's Day gifts. So slide this off. Okay, here's our heart puzzle. We're gonna pre-press it for 20 seconds. And you have to let this cool first. And the puzzle should be face down for this process. All right, it's 20 seconds. So it's hot. So we're actually gonna take it out of here so that it can actually cool, because it has to be cold first. So I'll be back. Okay, so we're back and puzzle is cool. I have a picture here. So I'm just gonna center it up. Center my picture. Center my puzzle. And I'm just gonna tape it lightly on the sides because I've done this before and it takes a little bit of the puzzle out the back sometimes. So not enough for the customer to see it back and see it come off on the tape. So I just try to tape it enough to be secure. And have the covering here, which is just parchment paper. I'm gonna flip that over. Put the pictures on top. And another piece of parchment paper to go on top. And we're gonna press at 400. Now, I've had instructions for 120 seconds and 60 seconds. So I am going to go with the 60 seconds for now to see how vibrant it is. And if it's not vibrant enough, then I know the next time we'll go the 20 seconds longer. We're at 30 seconds now. So if this is helpful, please share this in your groups, your Facebook groups, your Instagram page. Make sure you subscribe and hit the alarm button so that you can see when I'm posting videos. And let me know, comment below and let me know if this is helpful to you in your business or just, you know, even if you're doing it as a hobby. See, 4, 3, 2. All right. Hot. So let's see what we have. Okay. I should wait till this cooled, but I don't want to tear the puzzle apart because I want you guys to be able to see the whole thing. I'm taking the tape off. As you can see, I was telling you, like a little bit of the puzzle came off right there. Now I'm just trying to get this other side here off. All right, got that loose. Just trying to press this back in place because it was coming apart. And there we go. See the light is, there's your heart puzzle. This is great for a Mother's Day gift, especially with being this pandemic and not being able to see your mom. So this is great to be able to send her something to do, a family portrait or something. So awesome. Thank you guys for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye. Okay, now that we've sublimated the puzzle, I have it right here. I am gonna break it apart, and I'm gonna put it in this little tin right here. I think I got this from Wish. Can't remember if I got it from Wish or Michael's, but this cute little box. And I'm gonna print the same picture out on some nice photo paper and put it on the top so she'll see what the final picture is supposed to be like. You know, kind of like when you buy it in the store. So this is the plans for this, and I will come back with a final picture or video.
You're strong.